Hey everybody, this is Jen from Brubaker Chrysler Jeep, and today we're featuring our 2021 Kia Telluride. And let me tell you, this ride is absolutely amazing. This is such a sharp looking SUV, guys. It is a one-owner clean Carfax, and it does include 3 rows of seating and also a backup camera. It has beautiful leatherette interior with power windows and locks and power heated mirrors, and it is Sirius radio equipped. It also has some great safety features like blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, forward collision, and rear parking assist. The rear seats fold down for a lot more cargo space. This SUV is going to go quick, so come on in today and test drive, and remember, when you think quality used cars, think Brubaker.